Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see chapter number 4 of Looking Around. In the previous video, in main part 1, we have completed up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why do we plant trees? Answer is we get the following benefits on planting trees. Number 1. Trees purify air. Number 2. We feel cool in the shade of trees. Number 3. Trees keep the atmosphere cool. Number 4. Trees bring rain. Number 5. Trees provide wood for furniture. Number 6. Trees provide homes to various animals and birds. And number 7. Trees provide us with many things necessary for life. Number 8. Trees enhance the beauty of our surroundings. Therefore, we plant trees. Question number 2. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and no animals? Discuss it in your class. Answer is no, we cannot survive without trees or animals. Our life is impossible without trees or animals. Trees are self reliant. Animals get their food from plants. We are dependent on animals and trees for our food and other necessities. Therefore, it has been rightly said if trees are there, we are there. We cannot live without trees and animals. Question number 3. Why do people hunt? Answer is people hunt animals for their food or for some other necessities. Some people sell the flesh, hide, teeth, and bones of animals. So, they hunt animals to earn money. Some people hunt wild animals just for their fun and entertainment. Question number 4. There are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. Why are such punishments imposed? Answer is due to hunting, the existence of some animals is in danger. To protect their existence, government has declared the areas in which they live as sanctuaries. Animals living in such areas cannot be hunted, and if someone hunts them, they can be punished. Due to the punishment being legal and banning of hunting, it is possible to take care of the numbers of existing animals. Question number 5. Why did Amrita and the villagers sacrifices their lives? Answer is when the strangers started cutting down the trees, Amrita, her daughters, and many other villagers put their arms around the trees and hugged them. The strangers used axes on those innocent people too and killed them in order to cut the trees. In this way, Amrita and the villagers sacrificed their lives. Question number 6. People did not care for their lives in order to save their trees. When the king heard this, what did he do? Answer is on hearing that people did not care for their lives in order to save their trees, the king visited Amrita's village. This incident had a great and deep impact on his mind. He ordered that from then on, no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. See the next page. Question number 7. What is the speciality of the place where Amrita lived? Answer is in spite of being in the middle of the desert, the area is lush green and animals roam freely without fear. People protect their trees and animals. All these are special facts about the place where Amrita lived. Question number 8. Why are trees called our friends? Answer is number 1. Trees provide us with food that is necessary for life. Number 2. Trees provide wood for making furniture, doors, and windows. Number 3. Trees purify air. Number 4. Trees bring rain and stop soil erosion. Number 5. Trees provide us with things necessary for life. Thus, trees are useful to us and so they are called our friends. Question number 9. State the uses of plants. Answer is the use of plants are as follows. Number 1. Point number 1. Plants provide food items like grains, pulses, vegetables and fruits. Point number 2. Plants provide oil seeds, spices, jaggery, sugar, etc. Point number 3. Trees provide strong wood for building houses. Main 7. Write short notes on. Number 1. Amrita, the tree lover. Answer is Amrita lived in Khejadi village. She would get up early morning, go to the trees, meet them and touch and hug them. One day when she went to meet her beloved trees, she saw the king's man arriving with axes to cut down the trees. So Amrita, her daughters and 100 young and old villagers put their arms around trees and hugged them in order to save them. The king's men cut down the trees, killed these people too. Thus, Amrita and people of her village sacrificed to save trees. Number 2. My favorite tree, the Khejadi tree. Answer is many Khejadi trees grew in the village named Khejadi near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The Bisnoi community of this place loved their Khejadi trees. These trees grow in the desert region. Desert regions. They can survive on less water also. Medicines is made out of the bark of this tree. People cook its fruit and eat them. Its wood in such that no insects affect it. Now see the next page. HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Who said if trees are there, we are there? Option A. Amrita. B. The king. C. People of Khejadi village. D. The king's man. Answer is option C. People of Khejadi village. Number 2. Who loved the trees and talked with them? Option A. The king. B. The villagers. C. Children. And D. Amrita. Answer is option D. Amrita. Number 3. For what was Amrita Devi agitating? A. Protections of forest. B. Storage of water. C. Animal breeding. D. Taking care of mineral wealth. Answer is option A. Protections of forest. Here your chapter is completed. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.